It's unboxing time again. Keep on watching, guys. Hi guys, it's me again, MJ, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. And in this video, we will do an unboxing. Let's do it, guys. And these are the things that we unbox. This is actually a decoration. You can put your photo here and it can be turned. And also this, the light, and then this little stuff here. So cute. Oh. And then the other one is this. This one, it's a hanging photo frame, and it's nice. You can also put two photos here, one at the front and the back, and you can put like flower here or a plant. Just put water because this is a glass, and it's a nice one. And you can also decorate some lights in here. So this is our unboxing for today. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you can have like this also for your decoration. So I hope you enjoy watching, guys, and if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. And as I always say, guys, live life to the fullest and be happy always, and God bless everyone. See you next time on my next video. Bye.